Today I'm gonna be taking you through how to get a free residential proxy that you can use for your online surveys, use for accessing restricted content, and then also use for creating social media accounts and then do all sorts of other activities or stuffs online. So without too much ado, I'll go ahead and then show you the whole process from how to get the free residential proxy and then how you can connect it successfully. So let me go ahead and then start show you everything. And the first thing that you are gonna do is you have to open your browser, and this can be any kind of browser at all, but in this case I'm going to be using Google Chrome browser. And once you open your browser, I want you to go to your address bar and then type in webshare.io, or you can visit the video description or the pinned comment section. I'll be leaving the link to it over there, webshare.io. So once you get on the web page over here, which is what you are currently looking at over here, you see that they're saying 10 proxies for free, no credit card required. So meaning immediately you sign up, you're going to be given 10 free residential proxies that you can use right away. So I'm going to create an account right now and then show you how to get the free 10 proxies, and then also show you how you can be able to connect it to your phone. But before we go ahead and then create the account and get the proxies, let me show you my current location by visiting this website called whoa.net. Basically what this website does is that it's going to show wrong address. It is going to show you the current location that your device is in. So right now my current location is Accra, Ghana, which you can see over here, but for security reasons I'm not gonna be showing you the full IP address. So we now know the current location of my device. So let me go ahead and then show you how to get the residential proxy and then connect it to your device. So I'm going to click on start with Google and then create my account using Google. So once you are done with the registration, you are going to be shown this dashboard session over here. So once you get on the dashboard session over here, I want you to click on the sidebar or the side menu over here and then click on free. From that free session, you are going to click on proxy list, and then from the proxy list, this is where you are going to get access to your free proxies, which you can see at the bottom. We'll have it over here that I've gotten 10 free proxy, residential proxy that I can use for anything. So the first one over here, which is the proxy address, the port, the username, the password, and then the last check time, which is just few minutes ago, and then the status of the IP, which they are all currently working perfectly fine, and then the country, which we have different kinds of country over here with the cities and then everything. So I'm going to be showing you how to connect one of these proxy right now, and then also go back to the whoa.net website and then show you that the location have actually changed. Now for you to connect this residential proxy, you can use different kinds of apps on the internet to do this kind of connection, but in this case I'm going to be using this app over here called Super Proxy. And then once you get the super proxy app, you're gonna have to click on this add proxy button over here, and then from that session you can name your profile. So I'm going to be giving it the name of test run, and then the protocol, change the protocol to HTTP. And then the server is the same as the proxy address over here. So I want you to head back to the website and then copy the proxy address, and then head back to the app and paste it in here, and then wait for it to show this green check over here, signaling that the address or the server is actually active and then working. Then you head back and then do the same for the port, but make sure that you use the corresponding port for each proxy address and credentials. Don't pick a proxy address from the first session over here and then use port from the second or the third, or use any other details, as it will not work. Then you go and copy the corresponding port, head back to the app and then paste that over here. And then once you paste it, make sure you wait for it to also confirm. Now over here, the residential IP is being protected, so you are going to change the authentication method to username or password, and then you head back to the website again and then copy the username, and then you paste it in here. You head back and then copy the password, and then you paste that one also. Now for the DNS resolution, you are going to leave it on proxy, and then once you are done with everything, you are going to click on this saved icon at the top over here. Now that's going to save the proxy for you, and then once that is saved, you have to go back and then see that it is actually saved, which is you can see over here, and then you click on it and select start. So once you click on start, it is going to show you this pop-up over here so that you can confirm, and then once you click on OK, it is going to connect to your device and then start running. So let me go back to the whoa.net website and show you the location. Remember, we choose United Kingdom proxy, so let's refresh and then see if the location have actually changed to United Kingdom. So you can see that the location have successfully or actually changed to London, United Kingdom, and then all the details over here have also changed. But you could see that our disguise have been set to 90%, so meaning this is not fully complete, and I'm also going to be showing you how to make it 100%. So all that you have to do is head back, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website and then see what needs to be fixed. That means over here we are going to be fixing the time to be UK time. So let me head back and then go to my phone settings and then go to the system, and then from the system I'm going to be selecting language and input. Now from the language and input, select language and region, but this can vary, depends on the kind of device that you are using. So once you get on the region side or the language side of your device, I want you to change it to match the current proxy that you've connected, which is UK. So I'm going to be tapping in United Kingdom, so I'm going to change it to United Kingdom. And then once you change that, you head back and then you change the date and then the time also. So turn off the automatically time, and then you go to the time zone and change it to London. You select that Then once you are done with everything, you head back to the website again, and then you refresh it again to see if the issue have been successfully fixed and your disguise have been set to 100%. So let's reload the website. So now over here you can see that our disguise have been successfully changed to 100%, meaning that the residential proxy have been fully set and then ready to be used. So that is pretty much it for this video, and I'll be showing you other websites that you can also get residential free residential proxy from and then use for your online activities. So all that you have to do for me is to like the video and then subscribe to the channel so that I can keep on making this type of videos for you guys. Thanks for watching, and then see you in the next video. Peace.